This summer, get ready to laugh out loud. He lost his home and lost his mind. If he can't live there, no one will.
He lost his place and I think he's losing his mind. We're just trying to find him.
You've been activated.
Aggravated.
Activated.
Aggravated.
Activated.
Some guy came out of the bush and told you not to cook and you just believe that?
It's about they like dog in it. If we could aggravate to get all these things.
With plenty of tricks up his sleeve, the new tenant is tricked and convinced they're allergic to steam.
Oh, we went to the doctor.
You went to the doctor?
Yeah.
Okay, and what the doctor say?
Doctor said we're allergic to steam.
You're allergic to steam. We're allergic to steam.
Allergic?
No steam. Don't make it happen again.
No cooking or else they die like a dog.
Tell them about the steam. We have a dead like dog.
Wanga Gut and Wanga Belly will have to time the pot. A comedy for the entire family to laugh out loud, with drama and lots of laughter.
What's a hog gone? Me no see nothing.
See nothing?
Me no see nothing. Hey, I see those raccoons in the back, man. They big like a horse.
A Hungry Man Films production coming August 2022.
Go eat first and then we work. We'll eat the car. You can have the car, yeah? You can have this. Like this, you can have where you want, yeah?